running compliance training the old-fashioned way with plain, expensive videos? Not to mention, finding voice-over for each region in their local language is another headache. Creating such a video for each region can easily cost over $10,000. Not anymore. With an AI tool, you can create professional compliance videos in-house in over 100 languages in minutes. Let's take a look at the results first.
And excel within our local context. Number 2. Projecting a professional image.
Welcome to our company culture training. We believe that a great company starts with strong values. Let's take a quick look at 3 core beliefs that guide us every day.
In today's competitive market, excellent customer service is key to a company's success.
Rendora offers thousands of customizable 3D avatars with natural body movement and vivid facial expressions. They are all capable of speaking in multiple languages. It also has hundreds of 3D studios with pro camera shots and realistic lighting. For compliance, there's dozens of ready-to-use templates to help you get started easily. Need edits? No problem. Update with simple clicks. No reshoots required. It is easy, quick, and stunning. Create 3D avatar compliance training videos. Try it for free at www.rendora.ai today.